10 hidden flight safety features you don't know about. The number of aviation fatalities has been falling steadily since 1997, thanks to the continued safety-driven efforts by international aviation organizations. Every detail in a plane, from the cockpit and wings to cushion covers and floor plan, has been carefully designed with safety in mind. You might have missed these safety features even if you are a frequent flyer. So let us check out these safety features. Number 1. Secret bedroom for pilots. Most long journey aircrafts are designed with crew compartments, which is for attendants to take a nap and to relax for some time. However, pilots get better facilities compared to the crew. Some aircrafts even include a secret bedroom. Typically located behind the cockpit and above the first class, these small rest cabins usually contain a bed, reclining seats, and if they're lucky, a bathroom and a TV. Number 2. Marking on the floor. It is unlikely for fire to start in an aircraft, but when several onboard fires resulted in huge amounts of thick smoke, aircraft started installing a floor proximity emergency escape path marking system. This is because things inside the cabin can get pretty smoky and fast. Those markings which are on the floor use photoluminescent elements which can be seen in poor visibility. This makes it possible for passengers to read the exit signs while remaining down on their hands and knees to avoid smoke inhalation. Number 3. Hidden handcuffs. Under certain conditions, it is up to a plane's captain to decide whether a passenger needs to be handcuffed. Cabin crew is also permitted to request help from passengers to detain an individual if they need it and are in emergency. Number 4. Tiny holes. You likely have noticed a tiny hole in the bottom of the window. These tiny features act as a sort of safety valve. The pressure inside an aircraft during flight is much greater than the pressure outside. Windows are triple glazed, and the outer two cabin windows are designed to contain this difference in pressure. Due to the breather hole, the outer pane bears most of the pressure. Number 5. Cameras in cockpit. Several airlines have rolled out cockpit surveillance which records everything that goes down on a plane's flight deck. Despite opposition from pilots who argue that it will interfere with the decision-making process, the argument in favor is that the camera footage provides black box voice and flight data recorders, which pilots also opposed when they were first rolled out. Number 6. Gas masks. If there is a fire on board, cabin crew are the first line of defense, and it is their job to try putting out the blaze. Another reason flight crew are issued with gas masks is because they are portable. Number 7. Undercover agents. Sky marshals are mysterious agents of the skies, tasked with handling dangerous situations aboard commercial flights. And if he or she is doing their job properly, you will never even know who they are. A sky marshal will only act in case of a suspected act of terrorism or other serious threat, and though they do carry weapons, they'll only be used in extreme situations. Number 8. Fireproof seat cushions. An enormous amount of thought and testing has gone into those uncomfortable airplane seats, even in economy class. All airplane seats must meet tough standards for durability and head impact protection and can withstand 16 times the force of gravity. Number 9. Powerful engines. Jet engines are so powerful that a plane can fly just fine if one of them cuts out. What's even more remarkable is that a plane can also continue to fly even with all its engines down. In 2001, Air Transit Flight 236 carrying 293 passengers and 13 crew lost power in both its engines over the Atlantic Ocean. It managed to glide without any power for a whopping 19 minutes, covering some 75 miles until landing safely at Lajes Air Base. There were no casualties. This incident has gone down in the aviation history as the farthest flown by a passenger jet with no engine power. Number 10. Pilot and crew. Pilots are highly skilled and require around 2 years of training, including 6 to 9 months of theoretical training before they are even allowed onto an aircraft or simulator. Then they need to achieve a set amount of flight hours and complete ongoing training even after qualification. They are responsible for pre-flight checks and decisions in the sky. Cabin crew also undergo rigorous training, which includes firefighting and human resuscitation. These guys know what they are doing and they take the responsibility of passenger safety extremely seriously. Have you ever noticed these safety features on a flight? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.